Guess what? You have just found your first client. And this guy, his name is Bruno. He has a huge idea. They're going to create a new product to take on Amazon. You see, shopping on Amazon isn't the best. I mean, sure, you can find lots of stuff, but the whole experience design, there's room for improvement. And Bruno, that works at Keiko Corp, one of the fastest growing tech companies in the world, well, he wants to take on Amazon and build their own shopping experience. And they found you as a designer to lead the charge, to design their product, their mobile and web presence to take on Amazon. Now, this is the first part of any design project that you may have. It's this idea of meeting the client. You meet someone that needs your expertise, but you're taking this course because you're starting from scratch or you already have some knowledge and you want to improve upon it. Now, because everyone has different skill levels with this course, we're going to assume you have already met the client and you're starting to work right away, just like we have with Bruno. At the end of the course, we have some extra bits for you to show you how you may find and get your first clients, but we also want to start with the actual practical designer things to get started on the course because I know you're getting excited to learn. So the first step that we're going to take is to learn the skills and have that dream portfolio by the end of this course. So we're going to start designing the product that Bruno wants and eventually have a finished design system and portfolio so that when we come back to this idea of meeting a client, you already have the portfolio and the skill set needed to start looking for your first clients, whether it's on a freelance website or just an existing client. Hooray! But here's a quick thing to get you started when meeting a client. The whole thing is about solving their problems. When you meet a client, can you solve their problems? Are you the person that can take what they say and wow them? Are you the expert that they have been looking for all along? You see, people want somebody that makes their life easier, not harder. By the way, you might be wondering something. Why are we saying product designer here? Isn't this a web and mobile designer course? Well, yeah, it is. But the idea of design and designing, as we're going to find out throughout the course, isn't necessarily just about the web or just about mobile. Our technology is constantly evolving. There's new platforms coming out all the time. And a designer should be flexible. Sure, we can just learn web development, but then what happens if we want to build a mobile app or a VR app or any sort of product that can be on any platform? So we want to describe this course as a product designer because you can design on any platform for any product. So although we might use web design, mobile design, product design as a term, in the end, we want to build the skill set so that you can design for any platform that are out there right now and also future platforms. So our job as designers is to understand the need of the client and create designs that they themselves aren't able to do. Now, Bruno wants to build this massive shopping experience online that can take on Amazon. So how are we going to do that? Well, let's dive in and let's start exploring the world of design, the processes, and how we might go about designing a beautiful product.